Good morning. My name's Dennis with Impatient Creations, and I've got an opportunity to show you a really interesting build. This one here sits one of our new limits. This is the newest vehicle that we've ever take apart, disassemble the whole thing, bring it all back up again, and it's a 2007. Let me tell you just a little bit about what happened. It was purchased within a week or two of his son's birth, and this is going to be a 16th birthday presentation for him. My first question to him was, why? Well, you know, I mean, it looks like it runs and drives okay. Why would you want to build it over? And then he said, my son was born 2 weeks from the purchase of this vehicle. And his son's been a part of not only the color change, but everything about the truck. And he wanted this vehicle made completely restored, completely back to original, just like showroom floor. And I said, well, you know, we can do that. Certainly we can. But I just want you to understand, before we begin on this, that you can go buy a brand new Jeep less than what it's going to take this one apart, rebuild it, replace it, and then bring it all back together. And he says, I understand. And he says, I've been watching y'all and have been around, and I just, y'all have come highly recommended, and I want you to do the Jeep for me. So we started into the project. He says, now look, this thing has been off-road most of its life. It's got 70,000, I don't want to say rough miles on it, but you know, they've been through creeks and up and down hills and valleys, and just everything that you can imagine we did with this Jeep. And so I don't want to say it's tired, but I want a new engine. I want a new transmission. I want the differentials gone through, and I don't want these big mud grips. You know, I want a new truck. We're going to change the color. I want everything come off. I want it completely disassembled. I want it stripped down, start all over again. We can do it. We can do it.